people, welcome back. When I done another drifter, you know. I miss we now play this year, you know, people. So, as you can see, today is a great day. And there has been a lot of progress from the last time I posted a vlog, right? I know it's been a long time. A lot of persons have been asking what's going on and so on, but I don't know, so anytime when that drifter come back, and I'm gonna nothing good. So, at the moment, we're doing an upgrade, right? From the original wire loom. As you guys can see, this is the original loom for the 1nz. So I removed the original loom and I'm going to add a standalone, a brand new updated standalone to the car. So we're going to see if we can get it tuned and up and running. Right, as you can see too, what is this? What's going on here? Yeah man, Carol tint up to figure it a look nice. Pizzazz, doesn't mean I can show you what I go. Much reflection, man. Yeah, man, so that's how the thing set. Alright, titanium. So, if you guys know the thing set, you know I did the wire in the dashboard loom. So, even though the engine loom has been removed, everything still works like how it should. Alright? Everything is working. Wideband, boost gauge, rev, temp, everything works. Pump. Right? Engine start, indicators, everything working. Light out the front. Yeah, so everything works. So pretty much it's to get the original standalone wire into the Lada. To make the Lada bad, you don't know. Get the standalone to control the air fuel ratio, timing, boost, everything. Alright, so this is pretty much where we're at right now. So that is where I'm at right now. Get the Lada up and running and get the boost settings nice. So shot can fire and car can move sideways in style. You see it? I would them man, stay tuned people. This vlog I got man. Remember that.
Day 4.
Start again.
What you know? I have to the fuck, Chris. Hot!
Oh, sound good now.
I'm limited to
The 4 grand where it go.
yeah.
Sound nice, now the shot sound good. Oh, that.
Me bumbo clot.
Problem in the night, yeah. Just after tune up, you see? Like a lit bearings. Alright. Yeah, so as you guys can see, problem in the night, yeah. Problem. Listen. That That is something nobody want to hear. Knock. That's it. So you can hear engine is knocking. Engine is knocking. So I have to pull up the engine and hear what I go on. This is after the tune up and everything was on 2-step, but it seems we had an oil leak, right? From the oil drain, pretty much was leaking oil. Didn't notice it, and the engine starved from oil for a bit on 2-step, while 2-stepping it. So yeah, so that is how and why the car is knocking. So pretty much try and see if we can do a quick pull up and reset and see if we can rebuild this before. This is day 4 before the event. So a lot of problems day 4 before the event. So now the car is tuned, new management and everything, right? From the Mega Squirt family. So yeah, unfortunately we have some problems. So I'm gonna try and see if we can sort this out. See if we can get the car up and running.
The next day.
Ready. Action.
Alright, so this is pretty much the day after. So it's a disassembly day. As you can see, we removed the valve cover already. And I'm removing the front plate now to get to the engine timing and so on. I'm going to remove the head first, then the block after. So pretty much this is where we're at. Right, so after last night and the knocking and so on, the best thing is to do is to just pull on the engine and see what's going on. Right, from here the knocking, you just better get a new crank. The original crank wasn't cut, so everything is in the engine is still as OEM from factory, right? Still factory specs, crank and everything. So just have to get a good crank and then go on back a road. But this is one of the good things, is that I can work on my engine myself. So no matter what happens, I can simply just go back, fix it up and go on back a road. Right? And that is one of the good things of being a mechanic and you have a fast car, because you can deal with it. Right? You can do what you have to do without problem. So this is pretty much where I'm at right now. Yeah man, so I'll keep you guys updated. So straight through the disassembly. Studs them come out, so the head source can just lift right up. Head off. Just see if we can go sort out the bottom off. Wipe the oil drain off from for the head. Yeah man, some pistons them good and everything. Although, let me see. Yeah man, so this is where we're at right now. Look nice so far. So, see if we can get out the bottom off and then we're on our way. Yes man. Yeah man, so right now the engine out, black out, head come off, everything. So I drain out the oil. You can see. I'll stay bad. But a little bit of oil out of the entire engine, this not even look like a quarter oil. Alright, so yeah. That mash up the engine. All of the oil drain out, leak out, as you can see. From around the car, around the black I mean. Black nasty. So yeah. But that's just one of them things. So I change out the crank, change out the bearings, and we're going back a road again.